Come join us on the 1808 trail. Come walk among the trees. Come join us on the 1808 trail. Come feel the cooling breeze. We'll hike through the swamps and on the road that loggers use for years and years. We'll see those trees grow back again. We'll celebrate and even cheer. Yay! Come join us on the 1808 trail. Come walk among the trees. Come join us on the 1808 trail. Come feel the cooling breeze. We'll see bogs of peat and waters dark. We'll smell and feel the cedar air. The word is out, a new trail's born. Our work is done, it's time to share. Come join us on the 1808 trail. Come walk among the trees. Come join us on the 1808 trail. Come feel the cooling breeze. Come feel the cooling breeze. But don't bring your ATV.